Watch out, Papa. Alright, ready for the surprise? A big ass surprise. Huh? Yeah. See, you're gonna piss on me too right now. What, Papas? You gotta go pee? Go pee now.
He's gonna pee as long as you keep him open.
Well, there it is. Oh my god, Brandon, why? God damn, it's like you ate like...
Wipe his back off first.
Wipe his what?
His back.
Wait, look at this! Can you help me here? Thanks. No. You're fucking best. You're recording the sharks, you fucking loser. Yeah, Mom's having fun over here at the dispense of your caca. Oh, caca bag. Oh, you got that booty do. What do you want me to do, Brandon? Look at it. You got caca all over your back, all over your ass, in your ass, around your ass. And then I says I don't love you. And I don't love him, right? And I don't care for him? Alright.
Right.
Yeah, there it is. In the flesh. In the caca flesh. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Go ahead. Go ahead, mijo. Tell Mom. Oh, shit. Yeah. You wiped the shit off my back. Yeah. Ooh, damn. I'm about to beat you. Over your back. Over your sides.
Oh my god, be careful.
He has no bones. He's like a worm. On his ribs. Alright, Papa. I'm done. I'll send you off to Mom. I'm sorry, Papas. I'm sorry.